Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me HP DeskJet Advantage 4615, and now I'm going to show you how to clean the print heads on this device. So open Preferences, then scroll down and find here Tools, click OK, and here click Clean Print Heads and wait a while. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.